IKEA Gömpyssling is marketed as a practical home accessory designed to make everyday living more convenient. Like many IKEA products, it focuses on simple design, affordability, and ease of use. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, IKEA has a strong reputation for producing functional home products that offer good value for the price. What it does well, affordable pricing. Like many IKEA products, it's designed to be budget-friendly without sacrificing everyday functionality. Simple, practical design. The product focuses on usability rather than unnecessary features. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a premium product. The materials and finish may not feel as high-end as more expensive alternatives. It may not suit every home. Depending on your space and needs, there could be better options available. Assembly or setup may be required. Like many IKEA products, some setup may be necessary before you can use it. So, should you buy IKEA Gömpyssling? Short answer, yes if it fits your needs. If you're looking for an affordable and practical home accessory, it may be worth considering. But don't expect premium materials or features beyond its intended purpose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.